Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reversed TV. Today I will be talking about the new 2022 conventional loan limits for California. All right, so FHFA just announced not long ago that the new conventional loan limits, loans backed by Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, will be $625,000. Now, of course, in California, there's also some counties that allow for a much higher loan limit than that as well. So basically the way it works in the most expensive counties, and there's probably like 6 or 7 or 8, maybe 9 of them, it's 1.5 times that amount, which amounts to $937,500. And then there's probably another 12 or 13 counties in California that have a loan limit on the conventional side somewhere in between the $625,000 and $937,500. Now, what this means, that it just opens up more possibilities for people that were looking for loan amounts or to purchase homes in the range of like $700,000, $600,000, etc., compared to the old limit, which was $548,250. All right, so here's a couple of the benefits in terms of this versus a jumbo loan. A lot of times you can actually get an appraisal waiver, meaning we run it through the automated underwriting system, and it says, hey, we don't need an appraisal. That's huge. Also, the debt-to-income ratios on Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae backed loans are capped at like 50%, whereas with jumbo loans, oftentimes they are capped at 42 to 43%. Also, you have slightly lower interest rates with conventional loans compared to jumbo loans typically. And that just, again, makes it even more affordable for you and easier to qualify. And of course, another big thing is that the jumbo programs require reserves oftentimes. So many times you can get a conventional loan done with less money in the bank than you could with jumbo loans. So that's big news for 2022 in the state of California. If you want to get more information on any type of mortgage, either a purchase, get pre-qualified, or a refinance scenario, or a reverse mortgage, check the description down below. Reach out to us and we would love to hear from you and help you out. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.